So one of the first mods that I did on this truck was installed the BlendMount and WireTap or MirrorTap I think is what they call it. MirrorTap into the mirror for my ValentineOne radar detector. So I've been using Valentine for a long time. There's not a better radar detector. I cannot tell you how much money that thing has saved me over the years. So whenever you're talking about a radar detector, you want to know directions, how many are in front of you, behind you, to the side of you, distance wise, through tones. It does everything. You can program it to make sure hospitals and doors and stuff like that aren't chirping on you. You can program it to specific radar types that are in your state. So whenever you get a buzz, it's a cop, and you can maneuver properly. But anyway, just wanted to kind of show that's the first mod, and got more to come.